This is a really awesome card trick that you can do at parties, and it's almost impossible to screw it up. So even you're going to be able to do this trick. So I'll show you what happens. The spectator mixes up the cards, they shuffle the cards up, you get the cards back, and you say, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove, or I'm going to make, say, 2 groups of cards like this, and you can give them a free choice of either group. So let's say they choose this group. Now, it's a completely free choice. They reach over and they cut any amount of cards from this pile. So let's say they cut that many cards. You say, great, we'll get back to that later. From the other pile, they choose any card. They can literally go in and take any card that they want, and they remember it. So in this case, the 10 of spades, right? That's their chosen card. Then the card is put back into the deck and shuffled, right? Then these cards are just dropped on top of these cards. And you say, we're going to give the cards a very magical shuffle. And the magical shuffle looks like this, right? Now, this is an old shuffle. It used to be used in casinos to split pairs. It's a very thorough way of mixing the cards. And so that's what we're going to do. But it also has a really magical effect on the cards. And I'll show you why. So at this point, you remind them that at the beginning, they cut an amount of cards that has been sat on the table the whole time, and even they don't know how many cards they cut. So for the first time now, they count these cards. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards. You ask them to pick up the deck and in their own hands to deal down the same number, 8 cards. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th card will always be the selected card. Is an absolutely mind-blowing trick. Like I say, it's super easy. It's impossible to screw it up. Let's get into it.
Okay, this is a classic effect in mathematical card magic, and I'm 99% confident that it was created by Norman Gilbreth. But if you want to understand why this works, I have a video on the right-hand side of the screen called Klondike Shuffle Magic, which goes through not only this performance and explains how to do it and the mathematics behind it, but also I explain how you don't have to use the entire deck. You can use 2 smaller but equal sized piles. And I do encourage you to watch Matt's full tutorial, and I'll add a link to that video in the description below, as well as a link to the video on the right that goes through a detailed explanation of this effect and variations on it. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.